guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to go live in your Instagram account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Instagram account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Your homepage appears. At the top left corner, you can see that plus icon. Tap on that. Tap on camera now. Now at the bottom, you can see different options as post, story, and live. Tap on live. Now tap on that circle. Wait for a few seconds. You can see that I am live now. In this way, you can easily go live in your Instagram account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.